Hello everybody, this is Michael from Cabin Improvement. Unfortunately, the drainage ditch next to my drive got congested by leaves last night, and I wasn't aware until the problem was pretty bad. There's a trench carved about 50 yards or so, several inches deep, that I need to backfill and then regrade. But yeah, that's a note to make sure that your drainage is cleaned out before you get pounded by some big rains. So yeah, that's my penance. And I got maybe 2 tons of gravel to move back. So, have a good one.